Good morning, everyone. In the last class, we are discussing about the international business environmental factors. Which are the environmental factors are going to be influencing on the international business? Already we have discussed the some of the factors which are in regarded with the international business environment. Those are political and legal environment. The other factors influencing under the international business environment we shall discuss in this video. The next one is the cultural environment. So the culture means to which we are calling as a culture. The culture consists of thought and behavioral pattern that members of society learn through the language and other forms of symbolic interaction. Their customs, habits, beliefs and the values, the common viewpoints that bind them together as a social entity. The culture is going to be mainly refers as the beliefs and the pattern of living, how it is going on under the one particular society is considered in the name of culture. So for example, each and every countries are going to be having their differentiation under their culture. When we are considering the India, the country India will be following up with a certain type of the culture. So as in related manner, the each and every business environment is going to be depending on the cultural aspects, because your customers are going to be having their different type of the belief systems, and they are going to be having the some of the different values and the common viewpoints among them. So those are going to be considered for making conduct of your business activities. The social entities are going to be mainly considerable for the conduct of your business activities, because the customers are going to be the social beings. For that reason, you need to come across with the cultural viewpoint which will be there under the one particular economy, that will be more influencing on your conduct of business activity. So for example, when we are considering the developed economies are having the different culture. For example, we can see if there is any functions will be there or the parties will be there, mean there is a compulsory alcoholic products are going to be used under the parties in the Western culture, but it is not there under the Indian culture. Here there is a functions, means we are having the so much different type of the celebration. So this will be the Indian culture. So that we can be identified when you are going to be conducting your international business activity. So under the culture, which are the factors are going to be concentrated, or which are the factors are to be influencing to make conduct of your business activities are to be as follows. So in the culture, we can see the dimensions to have the information, to get the knowledge about that what is the environmental influences will be there in related with the culture towards our business activity. We shall see the cultural dimensions under the different category, like as a national culture will be there, business cultures will be there, or the occupational culture and organizational culture. National culture means the each and every countries are going to be having the some of the belief system, or there is a some of the values are going to be given by the one country towards the so certain things, that will be the more considered the view under the culture. So for example, when we have been seen that in the Western or in the other countries, we shall see there is a more value will be given for the monetary aspects. But when compared to the India with the other country, the India is going to be giving the more values to the human beings, or the more values will be there for the humanity. So these are the some of the different type of the national level cultural things we can be identified. So in regarded with that, the countries are going to be giving with the more and more differentiations among their culture. So for example, if you would like to make conduct of your international business activities, so there is a in Japan, if they are not ready to make it buy of insurance, because they don't believe about the what will be the future of the life, so they don't be having the any so consideration for the risk occurrence after their death. So that will be considered as their culture. In those places, if you would like to make the sell off your insurance product, means it is not possible. So that is a culture of Japan will be made it as your international business activity about the LIC product is not possible. So in such a way, you should be identified whether there is a nation is having the certain type of the beliefs and the values, means if it is opposite to, if your products are going to be opposite to the towards the culture, if that product which you would like to make it provide for that nation is not making the right ways, or it is not going to be the correct product for making their cultural to be enhancement, means then your product is not going to be having the successfulness. For that reason you need to make it provide of the goods and services to the other nation, as which is going to be having the consideration of the values and the belief system which is there under certain particular the culture. So that will be considered as a national culture. And the business culture will be there. In regarded with the business activities, there is a cultures are going to be built up, the values are going to be given by the business as in a very much differentiated manner. The some business are going to be more, all the business will be having their motive or the profit oriented or the return oriented, but some business are going to be the service oriented will be there. Meanwhile, which type of the business culture will be there, that is also matters when you are going to be conducting your business activity. So for example, when we have been come across, as there is a recently, there is a, because of corona, there is a so many differentiated things are going to be happening under the environment. So meanwhile here there is a vaccine has been innovated by the some of the country. When we are going to be providing the product of vaccine, it should be needed to provide as in the manner of service oriented. That will be the nature or the culture of India. So that has been made it provided at a very much less cost. But the some other countries, they have been having their business culture as a profit oriented. For that reason, whatever vaccine they have been innovated, they will be make it export at a higher prices. So that will be the business culture they will be having in their country. So such a type of the cultural dimensions we can be seen under the conduct of a business activity. Then there is a occupational culture will be there, occupational and organizational culture. So these are having their dimension which will be making us to know that mechanistic and organic culture. In the sense, when you are going to be conducting your international business activity, you need to consider that how to make promote of your goods and services. When you are making promoting of those goods and services, what type of the ads you are going to be considering, what is the occupational actions are going to be taken under such a type of the conduct of your ads for the goods and services. Whether you are going to be using the mechanisms as like a organic manner, or it is going to be the inorganic. So these all the aspects are going to be considered under the cultural dimension. And even then, your conduct of business activities are going to be influenced with that, whether the culture is going to be there under the organization as with the authoritarian manner, or it is under the participative culture. If you would like to make the investment activities in the any other country's business activity, whether organizations are going to be having the authoritarian things under such a culture, or there is any nature of participative will be there. So that you need to make it identify. For example, India would like to make their conduct of any of the business activities with the organization of America. Meanwhile, you need to consider the organization culture which is going on under the American country, whether they are having their participative culture or it is under the authoritarian. Authoritarian in the sense, what are the rules are going to be prepared by themselves or only made it implied. There is a no any things are going to be allowed for as a freedom manner to make the conduct of organizational activity. So that natures or that culture of the organization you need to make it identify. And even then, dominant and subculture. So there is a culture means it is not a one single particular aspects or the belief or the value system. It is also having the some of the subculture. With the culture, there is a subcultures are going to be also there. Those dominant cultural things and also the subcultures you need to make it identify. If you know the subculture about the one particular country's environment, so then only you can be easily make the conduct of your business activities. And there is a strong, weak and unhealthy cultures will be there. Among the cultures, which is the strong culture will be there and which is the weak culture or the unhealthy cultures will be there. So these all the cultural environmental issues you need to make it considered. So for example, if there is under the occupational culture, if there is a MNC will be there, as before in the MNC the Indians are going to be considered as with the some of the color differentiation. So that will be the weak culture they are going to be having under their organization. So that we can be find out as a organizational culture will be at a very much weak manner. So everyone is going to be considered as the same manner. So the strong organizational culture will be there, even there is a no differentiation among the men and women will be there. That is a strong organizational culture we can see under the MNC company. So like the different type of the cultural dimensions we can see under the cultural environment. Before going to make the investment industrial activities like as a making establishment of your business, you need to come across with these type of the cultural dimension. Then what are the element of cultures are going to be there? Under the culture, value and belief system, those are going to be having the consideration of certain terms are the elements or the factors. Those will be language and culture. The mainly culture is going to be built up with the some of the languages. The each and every culture will be having the different type of the language. When we are going to be considering in the India itself, there are so many different languages are to be there. So meanwhile, again those languages are going to be having their usage as in a very differentiated manner in the differentiated places. You need to know if you would like to make the international business activity, in which culture you would like to have your investment or have your business, you should know the local languages which will be used there. So for example, if you would like to make the conduct of any business activities in Japan, so English is the common language which is to be used in the all the business activity. But even though in Japan you should know the common local language of the Japan, which is the Japanese will be there. If you know that, then only you can have your international business activities in the Japan in a very effective manner. So because the language is also going to be making the consideration as a one term of culture which is going to be making the business activities to be in a very effective manner. So that will be the one element we can be considered under the culture. And the supernatural benefits, so you should also come across with that what will be the supernatural benefits will be there. So the under the cultural element they will be needed to consider what are the supernatural benefits will be there. Supernatural benefits in the sense, the conduct of your business activities are going to be influenced on the basis of what will be the beneficial aspects are going to be expected by the customers in such a particular culture. So you should be identified with that which are the expectations will be there, what will be the nature of people will be built up under such a type of the culture. So that will be needed to identify, that will be the element of supernatural benefits. And the education and the culture, the education is also going to be making the belief system as in a one particular way. So that education system is going to be also the other element of culture. So for example, what is the education which will be going on under the developed economy, which is going to be purely based on only the technological oriented will be there. But there is in India we can be having the traditional aspects of educations are also giving under the culture of India. So here we are going to be giving the so many differentiate our education system under the India. So as there is education is going to be having the much more the consideration as a element of culture. And the religion will be there, the religions are going to be main thing to be considered as a culture. With the religion also there is a culture is going to be identified. So like when we are considering the Pakistan means, you can be identifying it is a having the more number of Muslims as a religion, and that will be followed up with the Muslim or the Islamic culture. Meanwhile, when we are considering the country name as India, it will be considering as a Hindu culture will be there more under the India. So like that, the religions are going to be also considered as a term of culture. And there is a aesthetic will be there. So the element of culture as in the aesthetic manner. Aesthetic means it is a considering of the some of the things will be as in a beauty manner. So some are going to be having their the making their conduct of activities will be in towards with the nature of the which is going to be at a very much beautiful one. So that will be also considered as a the element of culture. So for example, if you are going to be providing the any goods and services to the customer, you should be make it prepared with the very much beautiful way of presentation. If that is going to be only making the attraction towards the customer, so that will be the other culture which is there under the belief system of customer. And the attitudes will be there. The people are having the very much different type of the attitudes. When we are considering the so many the different classification of customer will be there, different customers will be having their different terms of attitudes. These all the attitudes are also going to be considered on the basis of the culture. So if you are there under the one culture, that will be made you prepared with the some certain term of the attitude. So for example, when we have considered in India, the people who are there under the joint family, their attitudes will be different than the people who have been grown up under the single family. So more values will be given by the person who grown up under the joint family will be for the relationship. But the person who grown up as a individual under the individual family, so meanwhile he is not much more bother about that any of the relationship. Such a type of the attitudes we can be find out under the culture. And there is a customs and the manners, though what will be the day to day things of going will be there under the society, so that will be also considered as the element of culture. So these are the some elements of the cultures will be there which are influencing under the cultural environment. Then there is a point to discuss about that multicultural diversity and the diversity. So advantages, what are the disadvantages will be there. Multicultural diversities means the cultures are going to be having the predispositions. So the as like the across the culture, when you are going to be having your conduct of business activity, you need to come across with these type of the multi diversity will be there. Those multi diversities are going to be managed in in a particular way. So that will be under these all the points. The first one will be ethnocentric. Ethnocentric means it is the tendency of people to evaluate a foreigner's behavior by the standards of their own culture and to believe their own culture is superior to others. So the ethnocentric means it is a culture as like when you are going to be making consideration of the other behavior or other culture with having the standards of your own culture. By knowing of your own culture, you are making comparison of your own culture with their foreign culture. So through that you can be identifying the points which are going to be having much more superior than their culture. So that will be the one tendency of the people to make the evaluation. For example, if you would like to make comparing with your friend, the characteristics of yourself will be compare with your friend means always you would like to go through with the consideration of what superiority will be there in you than him. So that will be the nature or the tendency which we can be considered as a ethnocentric. In the managing of the culture also they will be come across when you are considering the foreigners behavior or the foreigners evaluation of culture will be done. So that will be with keeping of standards of your own culture, you are comparing of the others culture and which are superior culture will be there in within you, that you can be making it as a representation. So that will be the ethnocentric tendency. Then the polycentrism will be there. So if ethnocentric exhibits the intolerance to the other culture, the polycentrism advocates the tolerance to beliefs and values of the other society. Here the polycentrism means you are considering both the cultures are going to be considered as with the one particular representation. So that will be it means in our culture what will be there, whether the same things are going to be there in the any other culture. So that will be considered as under the polycentrism. So for example, when we are considering how there is a birthdays will be celebrating in our India. So the same way the Americans are going to be celebrating, as like cutting cake will be the common thing or the common culture which we are going to be considering as the same type of the culture. What is the value of other societies are going to be belief, so that will be same thing you are going to be identifying under your own culture. So that will be considered as the polycentrism culture. Then the other will be the other type of the culture will be across the culture will be there. So regiocentric, the regiocentric will be considered as the formation of regional trade blocks has increased the popularity of regional headquarters. In the sense, regional wise, what will be the cultural things will be there. So when you are making your conduct of business activities beyond the nation, even in that nation, which will be the regional area will be there, you should identify the where there is a business activities needed to conduct. So only you should consider the making the management of such a regional level, the what cultures are going to be there. So only you should consider about those type of the culture. So that will be considered as a regiocentrism. And the geocentrism will be there. In geocentric orientation, subsidiary operations are managed by the best qualified individuals regardless of their nationalities. Here the geocentrism means nothing but the considering of all the whole global culture. Under the global orientation, there are many type of the subsidiaries will be having their conduct of activities. Here you should make your management of your best qualified cultural consideration as with the considering of each and every individual as a one particular culture. When we are considering, for example, in the MNC, there are so many different countries people are going to be having their working conditions. For example, you can see the BPOs. So under the BPO companies, there is a so many different country companies are going to be having their involvement, and there is a so many different countries employees are going to be there. Regardless of their nation, you should consider all they are to be under the one globe. So with the global orientation, each and every person's cultures are going to be needed to respect. So that will be considered as a geocentrism. So those are the some of the cultural things which we are going to be considered before going to make the conduct of your international business activities. Thank you.